Hello and welcome back. In this session we will install an editor for Python. So we will be using this editor to write our code and execute inside our Ubuntu virtual machine. You can write Python code in any editor. You can use any editor to write Python program, not a problem. You can just use either command line or you can use an editor called VI. You can use either command line editors or just use some text editor that is available with Ubuntu. It's not a problem. You can use either any of the editors, but the thing is that when we write more and more code, it will be unmanaged. You will not be having any helpful indentations or color coding or anything to help you or assist you with debugging and running the code. So it's better if you can use an editor which support all these functionalities. I personally recommend using editor called Sublime Text. The latest version of Sublime Text is Sublime Text 3. So this editor is a really good editor. I have been using it not for Python but also for other languages also. It's a really good editor. So let's do one thing. Let's try to download Sublime Text 3 into our Ubuntu virtual machine and install it. Go to applications, just type Sublime Text and you can see it may take a while to the list to populate. Okay, this is the editor. Just click on install button and it will download and install. I'm giving the password. Install the Sublime Text, and here we have the Sublime Text installed. Let's do one thing. Let's add the Sublime Text to favorites so that we can launch it quickly from the favorites bar. Click on Sublime Text and it will open. I have already typed a small test file. Go to view, show console, and you can see what exactly is running in the background. Okay, and now let's go to tools, build system, and you can see we have only a Python build system. Click on that and it will get selected. You can see it once again, tools, build system, and the current build system is Python, so that we are telling the editor that whenever we try to run the program by Control B, it should execute the Python script. Okay, Control B, and you can see build finished, but we didn't have the hello world printed because we are getting an error called Python command not found, because we have installed Python 3 in our Ubuntu virtual machine, and that's why Python command may not work sometime. Python as it is, the command is called Python 2, but here we have to execute Python 3. So we need to do a small change in our build system. We need to create a new build system for Python 3. Just click on new build system, and in this content we have to replace it with the content, and here we have to replace all these contents with this content which will execute the Python 3. I will provide the contents in the description. You can just copy it and paste it here. Make sure you remove the spaces and it should look like this. Let me increase the font size so that you can see what exactly it's. Okay, so this much content we should paste, and click on file, save, and it's asking to have a name for our build system. Let's have it as Python 3. Click on save. Okay, and now let's go to click on close, and now let's go to tools, build system. Let's select Python 3, which is our newly created build system, and now it should work fine. Let's go and run this program. Press Ctrl B, and yes, we have our hello world successfully executed here. So we have set up our Sublime Text editor, and we have included the build system for Python 3, and we have successfully executed a small script which is a single line script, hello world, and now we are all set to proceed with our OpenCV exercises. So see you soon in the next session. Have a great time. Bye bye.